Nikita. I'm the head of counseling at Insight. We have Sonali with us, who's the founder of Humanize. I'm going to ask Sonali some questions based on some of the conversations I've been having with parents whose children are exploring or questioning their sexuality. So Sonali, one of the parents that I had been, she had called me for an introductory call in counseling. So she mentioned that the child thinks that she's bisexual because her friends have been bullying her with the term bisexual, and the parent believes that the child knows nothing about it. But in my conversation with the child, I found out that she understands perfectly what bisexual means, but the friends have been bullying her. Probably they don't understand the context.
Right.
So what advice or how do you think we should navigate this situation?
From the parent point of view.
From the parent point of view.
Okay, great. So I think it starts with trust. A lot of parents feel like they know more than the child, which could be the case, but it also may not be the case. So be open to the possibility that the kid is also learning, reading, talking to people, and the parent also needs to function out of knowledge, awareness, and not just this is not how the world works, and or how in my time this was not the case.
Right.
So not be dismissive about it. If the child is speaking up to the parent, that's great. A lot of children do not do that, especially
Right.
around issues like sexuality, identity, and all. That would be number one. The second thing would be not to judge the child. If they do feel like they associate themselves with a certain label, be okay with it. Perhaps learn about it. A label is just a label. It's how we define the label. So the parent can ask, what does the term bisexual mean to you? Why do you think you associate with it? Not in a condescending tone, a more understanding, empathetic, compassionate tone. And the third would be that peer pressure has always existed. It will exist till the end of time and humanity. Be okay with that. Just to support the child and say that, hey, you don't have to succumb to any terms and labels if you don't feel comfortable. I'm here if you want to talk, and let your friends read up if they want to. You do you, whatever you are comfortable with. If you want to label, don't want to label, that's up to you. That's your journey to take. I'm here for you if you need me. So build that support system at home.
Okay, that makes sense.